So I've just got my second package from iHeart K-pop. So it's time to do an unboxing video. So let's get this one. Some scissors. I got a few things in this one as well. Really good because I wasn't expecting this until Friday or next week. Slowly unwrapping it. So I got my Ginny Ret with the little baby Ginny Ret bag. Open them up. So there it is. This cute little bag. Put his little pouch in. So this is so cute. Thank you so much. Next, got some freebies. Got my own cards. So that's really cool. So, oh, thank you. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I've got my Hyunjin photo card. Oh my god. I love this dude. It kind of looks like he's terrified. Oh, thank you, iHeart K-pop, for these photo cards you got me. So let's do this one. So I've got this one because I love the cover. It looks so cool and fancy. Oh no, etiquette. Really like the theme I like. Let's see. Gently open it. Think again. I hope no one robs me for that Hyunjin photo card. So I was planning to get more, but I didn't want it at the same time with this trip I'm going on, and then I'm going to, thanks Bus, I'm going to Walmart as well, so I think they do some exclusives, so I might be going there to get some albums. So this is a photo card. Oh, our little our Aussie Bono-chan got his ID. So here, it's got this little booklet. I got this Fan-chan, Lena, Han, Felix, Youngmin, Ian. I think I did miss a page. Changbin and Hyunjin as well. Love it. Cats, Giants. Great. I love this one. So cute. I should check that one. Oh, love it. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, there's a pretty good. Got this one. Oh my god, they all look like such princes. Channy boy. Lena. Changbin. Oh my god, it's out here, Prince Hyunjin. Oh, I love this. Han, Lena. Felix, Xiangmin, and Ian. I so love this version. Too much. Oh my god. Now it's time for the photo cards. Come on, Hyunjin. Let's see. Oh, a Jenny. Oh, I love this one. Oh my god, Felix, our Aussie boy. Got both Aussie boys. Thank you. So excited. I've got one more, so I decided to get another Hyunjin because I wanted to put one in my room and one for my dance room where I do all my dance covers. So I'm just going to quickly open this because this is hard. Okay, finally opened this. So got the Hyunjin. So still obsessed with this, loving this colour. Little photo cards. So loving this. Hello. Photo card. Got the Hyunjin ID. So I haven't got this one, so I'm excited. So I got this one. So that's it. Oh, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.